Okay, let's go.
Kakain. Kain na kami. Hi.
Stinks.
What?
He stank up the game room.
Up. Yan ang office ni tatay. Office ni tatay. Yan. Gulo. Yan ang office niya. Back. Gulo-gulo. Ito, ilang taon na yan dyan. Siguro 2 taon na yan dyan. Ang kwarto ni Ella. Ella's room. George, close that please. So on the floor. Ow. Yan ang kanyang kwarto.
What are you doing?
Yarn.
Were you just showing?
Yes. At ang kwarto namin na magulo rin. Look!
What did you say?
I said that's your room. And this is our room.
No,
Kwarto.
That means
Kwarto.
room.
Yes, kwarto.
It's like quarter.
Yeah, or yeah, quarto.
Quarter
Cuatro. What's cuatro?
room.
No,
Oh,
cuarto.
4.
Cuatro. Yes, 4. Yan. Wala kaming
Stop
ano.
doing that.
Wala.
Do the tongue thing.
Kwarto. Kwarto.
No, just go.
Rrr.
How do you do that?
Rrr. Hindi niya kaya eh. Hindi niya kaya.
I can't do it.
Huh?
Can't do it.
Can't do it.
No.
Rrr.
How?
I don't know. So, yan. Come on. I will get the basket.
What?
Or basket. Yung basket namin dahil yung mga labahin namin, yung mga namin, use clothes namin, nasa baba. Kala ko nag-iwan ka na naman dyan. Lagi mo ka nag-iiwan. Galing mo. Yan. Basket. Laundry today or naked tomorrow. Ayusin ko to bukas. Yan. Ayusin ko yan. Sabi ko ayusin ko today eh. Kaya lang medyo nag-ayos-ayos ako dun kay Ella eh.
That's not a basket.
Yes, laundry basket. Right. Ella, what did I tell you? Ang gulo. Ay, kakahiya. Right. So, mag-aayos lang ako dito. Maglalagay ako ng tapos yun na. Good night na. That's our, day. Finish the day. Let me smell your hair. Majoho.
Does it smell?
Me? Nah, it's fine. Ay,
Oh, not it.
ay, you quickly, ha? Ella, quickly, ha? O siya, sige. Good night. O, say good night.
Good night.
Ayan ang aming, ganap today. Wala masyadong ganap today. So, bukas ulit tingnan natin. Ihatid namin siya dun sa Watts. 4 hours siya dun sa theater niya tomorrow. So, yun. May rehearsal siya. So, tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari tomorrow. Tata! Kain kami ni Ella. Pansit bihon. But hers is just the noodles. That's it. Ang ganda ko na para siyang
Tortilla.
something like that.
It's a tortilla.
Basta bread siya.
I'm using chopsticks.
Whole meal, whole week. Something like that.
Whole wheat, I think.
Ay, gusto ko sana ng tasty. Kaya
Ooh, it's hot.
wag na. Ito na lang.
It's just made with a different kind of flour.
Yeah. We're gonna watch
Charmed.
Charmed while we're eating.
We always watch Charmed.
Mm.
We finished Stranger Things.
Yeah. When did you finish it?
It's done. Remember?
When? Yesterday.
When did we finish Stranger Things?
Tuesday.
Which was the day before yesterday?
We're just gonna watch and finish our food. Hello! Ito tayo ng dinner. Pansit bihon. Nagpapansit bihon tayo. Natira ko dun sa dun sa niluto ko dun sa work. Nagluto ako ng pansit ng bihon at saka chicken at Shanghai, hindi pork, chicken Shanghai. Kaya may natira akong noodles kasi masyado marami. Inuwi ko yung kalahati. Sabi ko kasi sayang siya. Tapos, yung mga itatay, yan, sabi ko noodles. Ano daw ba yung aalagin namin? Sabi ko, ano ko sa'yo, kasi ako gusto ko ng noodles. Noodles ang gusto kong kainin. Tonight, yung pansit, hindi yun, kasi sayang. Ang bihon eh. Hinayang ako eh. Okay. Ngayon nag-jogging ng tubig. Ay. Hindi yan pa kami. Ayan. Kasi may naman na siya. Malambot na siya. Medyo malambot na siya. Kaya ang gagawin ko na lang is ano ko na lang siya. Ano ba yan? Uy, ano nangyari sa'yo? Ang gimbal ko. Hindi na ako sinundan. Nawala ako. So, ito. Noodles. Ayan o. Hinayang kasi ako. Kaya sabi ko, uuwi ko na lang siya. Tapos dito ko na lang siya lulutuin. Yung iba, Yung kalahati. Ayan. Ayan. Kinamay. Malinis yung kamay ko ha. Kasi hindi ko siya maano eh. Ayan. Sayang kasi. Ay, bigla akong madapa. Madapa mo sa litod. Sayang eh. Ito na lang ulangin namin. Ay, kakainin namin, di ba? Sabi na Ella, yung orange na ano, na sauce yung ilalagay. Sabi ko, hindi yung ano yung sinasabi niya eh. Yung, anong tawag dyan? Yung palabok. Hindi niya bet yung palabok eh. So, yung palabok dito, kami lang na Epi yung kumakain. Diba? Sayang kasi. Ay, nako. Wala na naman ako mga bebs. Ha? Wala na naman ako. Nasaan ka na naman, Hazel? Nawala na naman ako. Kasi hindi pa to lutong-luto yung noodles niya, kaya medyo may tigas pa siya. Kaya sabi ko, lulutuin ko na lang, i-recook na lang dito, diba? Are you okay with that? Just noodles itself?
Can I try it?
Yes, when it's finished. Not finished yet. Hindi na ito nagustuhan. Kali lang may happy. Pakita ko sa inyo. Sandali. Tignan natin ang lasa. Nilagyan na lang ko ng garlic at saka onion granules. Ayan siya. Diba? So, kakatapos lang namin mag-practice ni Ella ng ano niya, ng kanyang ani. Parang naalat naman na siguro to. Ano. May lasa na to. Kaya siya. O siya, sige. Saglit lang ha. Hold this. Papakit. She's gonna show you some of her, the heart thing. You silly. Hold it. Oh, what are you? Alright. Click the thingy again. Oh, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
I made hearts in the snow. This is from yesterday morning. And boom. 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 Boop. It snowed yesterday.
It's freezing.
Boop. Yeah. Now my fingers are cold. Because I put them in the snow.
Alright, come in then.
Milky. I got a milkshake. Oh,
Put them all in your face.
look at Popo.
Reds.
He's eating. It's 1 minute, nearly 2 minutes. Look at Oscar. Look. It's Oscar. Look. Look, Oscar. And it's Popo too. Should I turn it off now?
Huh?
Should I turn it off now?
No. Hang on. Give me.
Wait, my arm is there. How do I undo it?
No, not that one, silly.
Oh.
Alright. Mag-unpacking kami ng aming ng pinamili. Naka 160 sa tatay. 160. Lahat. Shaken, dito may shaken. Kailangan mag-unpacking lang kami. So, nasa oops! Tesco. Nasa Tesco kami. Ayan o. Namimili. Niloloko ni David si Hannah. Yung Pampers daw. Sabi niya. Loko si So, ayun. Hindi ko alam kung okay lang na dito. Kaya, inano ko na lang sa mukha ko. Okay, manawa kayo sa mukha ko, mga bebs. Kasi baka mamaya mapagalitan tayo kung may nakikita sa akin dito. So, ayun. What?
This pepper. It looks very nice.
Show the pepper. Ayun yung pepper. So, doon yung pepper na yun.
Why did they
67p
rip it
siya.
off?
67p.
Why 67?
67p siya.
They keep
Yung pepper. 67p. Aldi match price nakalagay.
Did you scan it?
Ang dali lang ha. Mag-food shopping lang naman pala kami. Akala ko sa kami pupunta.
Give me a number from 1 to 10, but it can't be 3, 6, or 9.
So that's not 1 to 10 then.
But it can't be 3, 6, or 9.
Okay. 10.
10?
Hmm.
It's on double.
Hi.
Hello.
So I thought we're going somewhere nice, but we're just going where?
Tesco's. I told you. I told you Dad said we were gonna go to Tesco's.
I didn't know at first. I got dressed, I got like this. Tapos yung pala doon lang pala kami sa Tesco. Kaya hindi na ako nagdala ng bag. I didn't bring any bag. I just got my tote bag. Yun lang. So iniintay namin si tatay kasi he went there Sa one stop to post. Yeah, drop a parcel. Yung mga nabili niya na he doesn't like. Yeah, he dropped it off. Kasi pwede ganun dito, 'di ba? Ewan kung ganyan din diyan sa Pilipinas. Ayun siya. Oh. Ayan na siya. Ayun. Careful. if you trip there, I'm gonna see you.
What happened to slips? Did you slip, Dada?
No.
Look. Ang icy pa rin niya. Icy, still icy.
Nothing.
Nothing. Dada's
My shoes
trying
are
to
too
do
bright.
it. Yeah. Masyadong bright. Ayan. Dito tayo sa Weldon. Tayo ng... Are we going Tesco or Asda?
Tesco.
Tesco daw kami.
Otherwise, somebody will moan.
Yep.
So, Tesco daw kami. Yun, ang dami pang ice. See?
I don't like Tesco.
Ang dami pang
I don't have my mac and
ice.
cheese.
Mm.
You didn't like it before you discovered your mac and cheese.
Mm.
And I just don't like Tesco. Because I don't like the color green.
Is that right?
Yes.
Yan. Abilis na kami. Hindi ko alam kung lalayas kami, kung ano, hindi ko alam. I got no idea. If we're going somewhere or what. Do you know, Ella?
Dad told me like he's going to the shop.
What shop?
Tesco's maybe.
Hmm.
To get some food.
Mm.
And you can lunch.
Na. Akala ko naman lalayas kami. No? Alam mo na. Yun pala, hindi naman pala. Lalayas lang kami. Pupunta lang pala ng shop. Eh, di shop lang. Eh, wag na magdala nito. Yan. Hindi ginawa ko.
This spell?
Huh?
This spell on the floor.
What is it?
I don't know. It's like a taste drink.
Oh, I think that's the, your sister's.
There's a pill on the floor.
There's a what? What is that?
On the floor.
What is it?
Pill.
It's a pill. Oh, I don't know.
Oh, Oscar could have eaten that.
They won't. Naglalaro siya. Hindi ko alam kung ano ba, kung aalis ba kami, kung ano, hindi ko alam. So, me and Ella were done. We're already west. Let's see kung saan ka pupunta. Tesco lang pala. Kala kung saan. Dali lang. Silipin natin kung saan tayo pupunta. Tingin lang namin si tatay. Tagal. Naglalaro pa eh. Explain tayo. Hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta. Pinagbihis ni tatay si Ella. So, I don't know where we're going.
Hello.
You dress?
Yeah.
Hi. Sort out your bed, baby. What is this, be? Sort it out. Okay. Sort out daw. Pero tingnan mo naman yung kwarto namin. Kasi tinanggal ni tata yung yung beddings namin. Papalitan mamaya. Yun. So, magtutoothbrush muna ako mga bebsa. Wait lang, ha? Okay. Hindi ko alam kung saan kami pumunta. Sama na lang kayo sa amin. Magandang morning mga bebs. January 3 na ngayon. Didelete ko yung yung mga videos ko na nilagay kahapon. Kasi nagkanda wendang-wendang. Sabi ni tatay, nailagay ko daw yung ibang video ko from Las Vegas. So, buburahin ko siya, uulitin ko na lang ulit. Kasi nga, nagkanda wendang-wendang. Nagkanda patong-patong. Kaya pala ang haba. Sabi ko kasi, bakit 43? Kaya, diba sabi ko, hahatiin ko siya. Yun. Kaya, ang gagawin ko ngayon, uulitin ko na lang ulit siya. Malamig pa rin. Kasi alam niyo kung bakit. Yung snow, hindi siya talaga natunaw. Tingnan nyo. Hindi natunaw talaga ng todo yung snow. Hindi siya natunaw. Ayan o. Kasi talagang malamig. Malamig talaga. January kasi 'di ba? Winter pa. Pero nito lang, ngayon lang yan nung nag-snow ng January. Oh, ewan ko kung kailan, but last year wala naman, 2 years ago wala naman. Pero nung pinanganak si Ella, nag-i-snow. Kaya nga sabi ko nga snow baby si Ella eh. Ayun si Oscar. Hi Oscar! It's too cold, darling. You won't be able to it's too cold. Ayun ang aking Po! Hi, Po! Hello, Po. Anak ko po, may pupo pala dun. Loko tong si Prince. Sandali ha. Anuhin ko lang